also win his 7th Daytona Supercross, tying Richard Petty as the winningest rider in Daytona history, not just Daytona Supercross, and Eli Tomac does it! Wins the Daytona Supercross!
Well, if it wasn't official already, it definitely is now. Eli Tomac is the king of Daytona Supercross, with not only his seventh overall win at Daytona, but also his 5th consecutive one. And this was a big week for him. Not only does he move into 3rd all-time wins, this is his, again, 5th consecutive Daytona, which, if you're kind of into the NASCAR thing or you know who he is, Richard Petty, he ties Richard Petty for the most amount of wins at Daytona. So, you know, you call him the king. Well, Eli Tomac probably just equaled it. Different sport, but same amount of wins. So. And it just is. He looked very dominant. He looked like he has been, just very fast, very consistent. You know, even if he doesn't get the whole shot, like in this race where he did technically get the whole shot, but then Cooper Webb got out in front of him, and you know, yeah, it took 12 minutes and a little mistake by Webb, but he did. He passed him and then never looked back. Had a nice lead, just controlled the race and won, which is what Eli Tomac does. He is just one, very consistent, 2, very fast, and has all of the conditioning you could possibly want from a rider. So yeah, with his 5th consecutive Daytona win, again 7th overall, he's just awesome. I mean, last year he broke the tie with Ricky Carmichael for the most Daytona wins at 6, so he already had that one. And then this race right here broke the overall tie with Carmichael for overall wins, so now he's 3rd in overall wins. Next up is James Stewart, 50. I think that'll happen next race, or he'll at least tie it next race. You gotta say, Eli Tomac this year, with all the talk about the beginning of the season about him maybe retiring, or only doing Supercross and then retiring, whatever, he looks just as dominant as he has been, well, prime of his career. And you can say he now has, I mean, all the little feathers in his cap he's got, this is just another one to throw on top. Awesome job for him. Pretty boring race to watch otherwise, but I mean, just, it's a cool thing for him. And comments down below, you tell me, how long do you think it's going to take him to catch and or pass Stewart's? And I guess the big question is, do you think he's going to be the most winning Supercross rider of all time? Is he going to catch number 1? Or whatever you want to say. Comment down below. Tell him anything about the race. Did you like the burnouts? Were you at Daytona? Was it cool? Whatever. Comment down below. As you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because, you know, playing the YouTube algorithm game, it all helps, and I appreciate it a lot. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.